excited, guys. I am going to the YouTube Made For You Shots graduation. And of course, I'm a graduate, honey. Yeah, I'm a graduate. Lambona. So it's just an event to network, obviously, with other creators. And to just basically, I don't know, well, graduate. I don't know exactly what's going to happen there, but I know it's just mainly like a networking session. It's not really, there's going to be obviously a bit of speeches there and here. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to it. The time right now is 6 o'clock and I was supposed to be at 6. I'm only passing mid right now. So I don't know, I think maybe I'll be there in like 20 minutes or so. I don't know how's the traffic looking. I didn't even check my GPS. So that's the vibe right now. Guys, so I've been meaning to tell you about my YouTube journey. Listen, it has been amazing. It's been really challenging as well. There were times where I really felt like, really? Nah, not doing this. So what was happening is that we had like, obviously there were 4 workshops you needed to attend, and also there was like 7 challenges every week. I mean, there were 8 challenges since December. So within the space of 2 months, we had like, you were given a brief and you were expected to do a shot based on the YouTube shot based on the brief that was given. So each day was literally challenging. I mean, each week was literally challenging because some of the other things, it's things that I never thought about. I like that for me because it just broadened my mind on content creation and how actually I can go about my content. So I think it helped me a lot in terms of widening my knowledge about content creation. And also every week they bring like speakers on during the workshops, like 4 speakers per workshop, people behind the scenes of YouTube, people in the front scene, YouTubers doing it. It was quite interesting and insightful. So I had a good time. I was really challenged. I was, you know, I felt like at some point I just felt like, what's the point of this? At some point sometimes when you had to do like really hard shots based on the briefs. So yeah, but to show that I was really committed, I go get a cocktail was one of the I was part of the creators. I was on the creator spotlight on week 7 because I was like, there's no way. And remember, guys, there's like obviously over 1.5, if not 2,000 of us in that workshop every week, and there's 2,000 of us part of that YouTube Made For You Made For You program. So me being part of on the creator spotlight was like a hit. Good cocky, you're on the right track and you're doing well. You just need to push yourself just a little bit because you are so relaxed in your content. Like my content is like one-sided based. I don't try other things, which I'm planning to do going forward, obviously. So I'm gonna like try to challenge myself more and try to do change my angle of how I approach my content. So yeah, that's just the vibes basically, guys. And yeah, now I'm going to the graduation, and yeah, so the spotlight thingy, there were like 12 people per week who made the greatest videos, YouTube shots for that week. So I was part of the 12 out of 2,000. Me go get a cocktail. Yo, guys, I was so happy, and I'm still waiting for my merch. You get to have a merch, yeah, YouTube when you're part of the creators. When you are part of the creators spotlight. So yeah, guys, that's what's up. I hope my mic is audible. Also my makeup chow, also my hairstyle chow. It's just giving. Yo, it's really giving. Sun-kissed. Guys, we'll talk.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Hey guys, I've just arrived. I'm feeling nervous because I'm alone. And you know when you go into an event?
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days.
I just arrived.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, down no maybe. In the meantime,
I'm doing what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
But a bitch like all down. Don't take. Should know my mother New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
Is that the best that you can do? I think you can do better. Amazing. Let me start off by introducing myself. My name is Moto. Some of you know me as Moto Tate, and I am part of the YouTube Africa team. I'm basically a community partner manager. I work with some of you, if not most of you here, as well as other creators across sub-Saharan Africa. So welcome to everybody, and yeah, I'm so excited to celebrate all of the hard work that our Made For You graduates put in the program, where it was 8 weeks long, and you know, you did so much work. So
You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't.
And the challenge is that you need to find another creator who has a magic card or ticket, right? So, as an example, your card will probably say YouTube, and then your other half's card will probably say Shorts. So together it's YouTube Shorts. So you need to look for your matching partner. So that's challenge number one. I'm gonna call.
Listen, no, I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Wondering why, no, you ain't shy,
You want to take a video of me doing it? Tell me when you're ready. Yeah. So guys, I just got home and I'm super tired, so I think I'll give the event, it was my first YouTube event, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. It was quite amazing. It was really quite amazing. The way they've structured how we should connect with one another, I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because literally it was a networking event. So I got to meet some amazing people, and from the videos and the pictures you can see that I've actually met some amazing people. So yeah, le bona le certificate sa ka go ke graduate ya YouTube made for you shots but overall I had fun. The drinks were flowing. Yo, the food was flowing. Like literally the bar closed at 10, open at 6, close at 10. Because quarter past I think it was 6, and then from there in J I drank what I wanted to drink. Like you could literally drink what I wanted to drink. I was drinking Savannah because I was far, and for me it's like I need to drink a drink that I'm used to. I know when trying, so I need to drink something familiar so that I can drive properly and still be safe home. Hey guys, welcome back. It's a Monday and I just got back from work, and I got back home to a package. I haven't opened the package yet, and I'm suspecting it's from YouTube because they promised me merch because I was on the creator spotlight. So I'm wondering what's inside. What if it's a camera? Woo! Can you, Momo? What do you want? What up here? Eh? Yes. So I'm excited to open my package right now. I'm gonna open it with you guys. I don't know what it is. I'm so nervous. I'm just like, what if it's a camera? Guys, but anything, I am like, I'll be so ecstatic because anything from YouTube, honey, means you're doing something right. Of course. Let's open.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me.
So guys, I've got some goodies and I am so excited and happy about them. I actually needed a Bluetooth speaker. So Gilana, I'm going on holiday tomorrow, so I'm gonna need this. It's actually quite portable, and yeah, so Lydia. Oh my gosh, I love my goodies. I love my goodies. Thank you, YouTube Shots. Thank you. Yeah guys, so that's it for today. That's it for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.